Today we are looking at Buta Kimchi or Kimchi Pork. This is a completely failed food dish. Let's take a look. Start by cutting up some Nira or Chinese Chives. Pop them to one side, it's meat time. Graciously dump your meat out. Now to put my medical training into good use, we are going to surgically dissect our pork. I have you know I was a surgical nurse. But man, this takes forever. Maybe I stick to knives. Sorbet and crack away. Now it's time for a real little step. Give everything a good coating of starch. Stick your meat in there. And prep down. Heat up a pan, chuck in oil and your meat. Once it has some color, add in the kimchi. Give it a good mix and toss. Chuck in the Nira and stir. Maybe a toss, get it all with it. Now add some Mentsuyu for liquid and flavor. Toss it about and put it up time. Pile it up. Get a nice pile going and wipe out any spilled sauce. Sprinkle on some Szechwan peppers for bite. And some nail time, ladies and gents. Stunning. Time for taste. Itadakimasu. Psych. Today's beer of choice is Asahi Super Dry. Alright, now for real this time. Itadakimasu. Oishii. Very sure that Asahi Super Dry is easy to find. So hopefully you'll be able to pair this up. This is so easy to make, anyone can do it. Just remember to keep an eye on the liquids so that you don't burn it. I'm gonna go eat this all. Till next time.